There are very few cryptocurrencies that came up to the top spots in the past few weeks or months. One of the better performing coins was the Shiba Inu coin. It gained a lot of support from the community and pushed the prices to a whole new value in a very short span of time. However, what exactly is this and why have people been getting into the coin in large numbers? Let's see what has been pushing the prices and what the fundamental behind Shiba Inu as a cryptocurrency is. Stay tuned to learn all about it. Welcome back to another video on this channel. We'll be diving deeper into the Shiba Inu coin and we'll understand the fundamentals that have been working as the backbone of the entire cryptocurrency for a long time in the past. Also, we'll tell you the purpose of ShibaSwap in detail. If this is what you've been looking forward to, hit the like button and also subscribe here to stay updated all the time. We'll be updating you daily about the latest cryptocurrencies frequent enough to keep you updated about everything. Also, allow us to remind you that we are not financial advisors, and this video is not meant to be a piece of financial advice. We would request all of our viewers to ensure that they conduct a very good due diligence process to ensure that they make the right decision without affecting their portfolio in a drastic way. We would also recommend you to take advice from your qualified financial advisor who knows your portfolio to ensure that you step into the right cryptocurrency with the right amount of investment. Having said that, let's get into today's video without any further delays. Shiba Inu has been scheduled as the next big cryptocurrency in the market. The community has been on the top of this cryptocurrency and has been relentlessly supporting it to support this into the best coin that could ever serve the market to date. Shiba Inu, launched as a part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, has been focused on the meme-based cryptocurrency genre, giving a good competition to Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that was trending the most, supported by billionaires worldwide, and with one of the most active communities. Shiba Inu has all that it takes to reach the same status. However, there have been certain hurdles that it has hit over the duration of a month or two. Shiba Inu aims to be driven by the community entirely. This was the reason why they decided to add several trading pairs to the mix. Some of them are ETH/USDT, Leash/Bone, and SHIB/Bone. Now let us look into what the developer himself has to say about the coin and its future in cryptocurrency. The updates that they've been working upon have been made with the motive of bringing in new users into the ecosystem. This will help the coin in expanding the community to the extent that the coin reaches the maximum number of people throughout the globe. They are also looking forward to incentivizing the entire ecosystem that will help in gaining more people into the ecosystem. The booster liquidity for USDT is aimed at strengthening the DEX, which will help in paving the way for higher rewards over time, is another major reason for having a better functioning system and more people in the community. The fact that staking will now become a good option will also be a major benefit that will be provided to the people in the community. They will now be able to use their cryptocurrencies for a larger duration without actively getting involved in the trading process and such risks. In case a person uses it while joining the Leash/Bone pool, or any other pool using ShibaSwap for that matter of concern, one thing that they will have to deal with is the ETH fees. This is because of the fact that the project is built on Ethereum. Leash, as a matter of fact, is the store of value in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The ecosystem that it has been able to build over a short period of time will certainly give a major challenge to Dogecoin. Claiming itself as the Dogecoin killer, it will be able to ensure that it stays on top of the market by taking a meme as a real deal. This approach will certainly help the community in the long run as more people will get involved in it and the community expands. Therefore, Shiba Inu as a cryptocurrency is a long-term investment, which also means that this is here to stay for a long time. Even though Dogecoin has been gaining a lot of popularity and support from the man of technology, Elon Musk, who claims himself to be the Doge father, things have not been that smooth for Dogecoin over the past few weeks. The constant fall in prices has created a lot of instability in the market and the investors. In short, we can say that the ShibaSwap ecosystem is based on three flagship tokens. The first one among them is the SHIB, which is not new in the market and is one of the major investments for a lot of people. This decentralized community building token is the coin that may be able to take over Dogecoin in the coming times. The fact that there is no limit on how much you hold them, The number may even reach out to billions or even trillions in total. This was pegged to be the price of Dogecoin over time. This coin has only 100,000 coins in circulation, which makes it of a higher value altogether. It would not be possible for Shiba Inu to sound similar, as the market supply of Shiba Inu is much bigger than the 100,000 noticed here in Leash. To sum all the efficiencies up, they have now come up with Bone. This token is also a very good part of the ecosystem. With its own importance and relevance, this coin has been coming up as a new governance token. You will be able to earn using the other tokens on the Shiba Swap. This coin has taken the very concept of DeFi to the next level. Through the staking option that they provide, the user will be able to make much higher returns on their investment. They will be able to make a fixed percentage reward through all of the investments that they will be staking. This option that they provide is called Bury by them. This is a very good way of keeping your coins on work along with your device to keep the Shiba Inu ecosystem engaged and secured. The second option that they provide to keep working and making incentives is through liquidity farming. This is what they call DIG. Just as the name suggests, you'll be able to provide liquidity into the system by placing your LP tokens in the respective pool. This will help you make a percentage of the transaction fees that have been collected on the same. Yet again, this is another way of making incentives through the incentive system designed. To make it even clearer, let's get into the Wolf paper, which is the white paper that they have. They claim that the SHIBs will dig for bones or may even bury their tokens. They then continued by adding that the best trainers will also train them to swap, which can then allow the pup to exchange a token for the other one in the ecosystem. This process of digging, burying, or swapping will keep generating relevant returns for the investors. This return is then distributed among the puppy pools. This will be the place where the investors would already have buried their tokens or digging for the bones. As you might have guessed already, these incentives will keep varying each time and may also have totally different LP pairs. Getting into the system at the earliest will enable earning much higher rewards. Keeping in mind that the coin has been progressing very rapidly, the chances are that waiting for the right time may make you lose the entire opportunity. The official launch of the Shiba Swap has been much anticipated. The release has also been one of the major targets for a huge number of investors in Shiba Inu. As the final updates come to an end, we'll be able to notice a much higher adoption of the coin due to the high amount of incentives being provided by them. The DeFi platform can be called an umbrella platform that can perform various tasks at the same time. These tasks are the financial applications in cryptocurrency or blockchain. To brief out about Shiba Swap before we end this video, we can say that there are 6 key features that they provide. These are Dig, Bury, Wolf, Swap, Fetch, and Bonefolio. Having learned all about it, who is ready for some Shiba Inu now? We hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel to stay updated at all times. We would also recommend you to check out our other videos on this channel, as they can help you more about the world of cryptocurrencies in a much more detailed manner. Till we meet again on this channel, keep learning.